Welcome back to Autoscope. Maserati Motorhome 2026. Exterior design. Signature Maserati grille. The front grille will have a distinctive Maserati design, probably with a big, illuminated trident logo and prominent vertical grilles. Stylish LED headlamps that run during the day. Panoramic windows from the outside. Large curved or frameless windows will create a modern, open appearance while offering wide vistas from the inside. Innovative features. It's possible that the entry door is a concealed mechanical sliding door. Technology and performance. High-performance engine. This motorhome-specific version of the MC20's twin-turbocharged Nettuno V6 engine will provide enough of power and robust torque for long-distance driving. Adaptive suspension system on a range of terrains. The great ride comfort will be guaranteed by the adaptive air suspension. All-wheel drive AWD. An intelligent all-wheel drive system will be standard for optimal stability and traction on a range of road conditions. Autonomous technology. By integrating Level 3 or Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, drivers can unwind throughout lengthy trips. Elegant and practical interior design. Premium materials. The finest materials, including carbon fiber, Alcantara, Pinot Fiori leather, and real wood or brushed aluminum accents, will be used throughout the interior. Gourmet kitchen. A completely furnished kitchen featuring high-end stainless steel equipment, a huge refrigerator, an integrated coffee maker, an induction cooktop, and a convection oven microwave. Smart lighting. Ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to produce a variety of ambiances, from warm and cozy to bright and practical. Smart storage. Creative and covert storage options will make the most of available space and maintain a tidy atmosphere. A 360-degree camera system facilitates maneuvering in confined areas. Traffic alerts and parking sensors improve safety when parking and driving.